What if the whole world's problem
was never that we didn't have enough?
What if the whole world's problem
was we forgot how to love? Everybody wants a kingdom, nobody wants to kneel. Everybody wants the truth, until the truth gets real.
Maybe we're not as different
as the walls we hide behind.
Maybe healing starts the moment
your pain matters just like mine.
it's more than me and mine. It's more than yours and us. Before the world can turn around, we gotta learn to trust. We build towers to the sky, while our neighbors turn to dust. The problem with humanity is me and mine over us.
A poor man ain't your enemy, a rich man ain't your God. A child born in the struggle shouldn't have to prove his heart.
Every border has a mother,
every language has a tear.
every stranger has a story.
If we let them come near,
it's more than me and mine. It's more than yours and us. Before the world can turn around, we gotta learn to trust. We build towers to the sky, while our neighbors turn to dust. The problem with humanity is me and mine over us. What if I could feel your hunger?
what if you could feel my pain?
What if every stranger's tears
Started falling like my rain.
What if kindness became stronger?
What if mercy led the way?
What if helping one another
Became the choice we make today?
it's more than me and mine. It's more than yours and us. Before the world can turn around, we gotta learn to trust. We build towers to the sky, while our neighbors turn to dust. The problem with humanity is me and mine over us. One kind act at a time.